Fica arrumando lá.
So we are out here in Berrini. It's a business district here in São Paulo. You can feel it already. People living, work, traffic building up. This is where São Paulo start to switch up to a night. Not just only offices, also it get active after hours. So let's walk and see what is going on. So as sun goes down, this part of São Paulo start transform. Skyscraper light up. So people are leaving work. That's why I see there is a lot of traffic. Hello? So this is Berrini, the city business hall. But at night, it takes another new energy. So we're exploring tonight. This evening is dropping, and we're exploring it. So this place is full of offices. That's why I see a lot of skyscraper in this area. Every corner in this area full of skyscrapers. This is offices. Let's go. This place feel modern. People are leaving work. But because of the rain, they are just waiting for the rain to slow down a little bit. So this place feels so different. This is Western São Paulo, Berrini. So it's getting dark. So much traffic. So this place feels different from other parts of São Paulo. So the rain just keep people outside waiting. That's why I see people standing outside here. So they're waiting for the rain to stop. So could you like to hang out in this kind of place? Let me know in the comments. Let's go more deeper and see more about this area. It's a traffic hour, that's why I see. Guys, subscribe to my channel, not just watch. Give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe. Let's build this community together. Subscribe. I need your subscribe. I need your like. I need your comment. Let's continue. We have more to explore. They are getting dark. The restaurants and the bars are opening for evening vibe. And people are leaving for work. People are leaving work to back home. Now this is where it gets more interesting. You can see people relaxing. This place feels different than the main avenue. So people are relaxing this place. So let's continue. These people are waiting for box. They are here in the box shop. The people that close from work. So this place is alive. The more energy in this area. This place is different than Main Avenue. Here is a Chinese restaurant. Also this place, a Chinese restaurant. I don't know the language, whether it's Korea or Chinese or Japan. I don't know. There's a restaurant. There's so many movements in this area, a lot of movement. Even if you look there, you see people are inside that bar. So the movement here is active. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful place. It's all about offices, work. So people are coming out for the night.